Wafauru ne babo seda warakuru baba kwa fane. Wafauru ne babo sedanja. Kumana baba karibu kom. Haya wengine wenye kusimikisha kurudi nyuma, social distance, mask iwekwe sawa sawa. Hakikisha mask yako umeweka vyema. Mask lazima ifunge mdomo na vile vile mapua. Erokamano. His Excellency the Prime Minister, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga Uruake, yakamisi galagala.
The disease called corona has no cure. Up to now, no proper cure has been found against corona. But it's just like some of the pandemics that have come before. We had yellow fever, we had smallpox. In the past, when you're traveling internationally, you have to have a yellow fever and a smallpox certificate. This is all plus cholera. But these days you travel without anybody asking you about smallpox or yellow fever certificate, because they have been eliminated. The way the smallpox was eliminated is the way corona is also going to be eliminated. But until such time that a cure is found against corona, we must ourselves be careful so that we don't lose so many lives unnecessarily. We don't want to lose innocent lives of Kenyans, children, women, the elderly. They say that corona is a bigger enemy of elderly people.